A stalwart leader, six-time deputy CM, fondly called Pawar Jr., beloved Dada of all. Ajit Anantrao Pawar was one of a kind. Born on July 22, 1959 at Deolali Parawara in Rahuri Taluka, Ahmednagar district, Maharashtra. Ajit was the son of Anantrao Pawar, brother of Sharad Pawar. Ajit's father died when he was 18. He followed Uncle Sharad Pawar's footsteps into politics in 1982, when he was elected to the board of a sugar cooperative. In 1991, he became chairman of the Pune District Cooperative Bank, a position he held for 16 years. That same year, he was elected MP from Baramati, but vacated the seat after Sharad Pawar became Defence Minister in the Narasimha Rao government. He won the Baramati Assembly seat as MLA the same year and held it for 8 consecutive terms. There was no stopping Ajit Dada after that. Ajit emerged from his uncle's shadow to become one of Maharashtra's tallest leaders. He made history by taking oath as Deputy CM of Maharashtra a record 6 times.
मी अजित अनंतराव पवार गांभीर्यपूर्वक दृढकथन करतो की
Ajit Pawar had an unmatched sense of humor. His ability to turn serious moments into hilarious ones was loved by all.
कल देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी सीएम पद की शपथ ले रहे हैं, क्या आप और अजीत दादा पवार साहब भी कल डिप्टी सीएम पद की शपथ लेंगे?
अरे भैया, अभी तो कहा, देवेंद्र जी ने भी कहा, मैं भी कह रहा हूँ, रुको थोड़ा, अभी शाम तक रुको, अभी कल शपथ ली है ना,
उनका समझ में आएगा, मैं तो लेने वाला हूँ।
He displayed this skill at humor at the India Today conclave.
आप मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स उप मुख्यमंत्री स्वेर इन हुए 5 बार। 5 बार। कभी कभी लगता है यार मुख्यमंत्री बनना है।
अरे बनना है, लेकिन हमारी गाड़ी वहां ही अटकती है तो क्या करे?
नहीं तो
मैं कोशिश करता हूं कि वहां आगे भी जाए, आगे भी जाए, आगे भी जाए, लेकिन चांस नहीं मिलता।
His long quest for the top job, the post of Maharashtra CM, however, remained unfulfilled. In his last conversation with India Today this month during the BMC elections, Ajit Pawar had hinted at reuniting the Pawars.
क्या एनसीपी-एसपी के विधायक, आपके सांसद, उनके सांसद क्या साथ में आ जाना चाहिए?
कार्यकर्ताओं के कुछ जहां उनका थोड़ा बहुत विरोध नहीं रहा है, उस कार्यकर्ताओं के मन में वैसी चर्चा चालू है।
Known for his distinguished oratory skills, Ajit will always be remembered for who he was and the way he transformed Maharashtra politics.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.